Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get your Brave Rewards tokens. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Brave Rewards is an optional feature built into the Brave browser. When enabled, you can receive BAT rewards for viewing privacy-respecting ads while browsing. To get started, open the Brave browser and go to top right of your browser. You will see this reward section, click on it. Once you're in the rewards area, select the option to start using Brave Rewards. During the setup process, you may be asked to choose your country or confirm your region. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. After enabling Brave Rewards, you'll need to set up or connect a supported wallet if you want to manage, transfer, or use your earned tokens. Follow the available wallet setup options provided within the rewards section and complete any required verification steps. Once everything is configured, continue using the Brave browser as you normally would. If Brave ads are available and enabled in your region, you may become eligible to earn BAT rewards through participation in the program. You can monitor your rewards balance and account status directly from the rewards section in Brave. And that's it! So that's basically how you can get your Brave Rewards tokens. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.